Communication style is different and communication skills are different. Most of us don't know that there is something called communication styles. A communication style is a reflection of person's inner attitude, a person's inner belief system, the thought process. In this part 2 video, I'm going to tell you about a very unusual, very disliked kind of personality that is called as the aggressive personality. This aggressive personality has aggressive communication style. Most of the people don't like them. And I'm going to tell you what kind of these people are, how they develop this personality, and how to recognize this kind of personality. But if you haven't seen the first video, please go and see the first video. The first video was about another personality called the passive personality. And then come to this video. My videos are somewhat lengthy, but they are very helpful. I'm going to discuss all these points in detail so that you should not have any problems in communication. In communication with your team members, with your seniors, juniors, your family members. Friends, communication is not only about speaking fluently and speaking confidently. It's about the words, selection of words. It's about the verbal, non-verbal characteristics of that communication. These are very important. And in this video, I'm going to tell you every detail of that. If you are interested in communication skills, this video is for you. Let's start. Yeah, friends. So in every video, I tell about a very interesting training session which I take online. As most of you know, if you're first time, let me tell you, as I am a corporate trainer, I'm a soft skill trainer, and I help students to develop their communication skills, to develop their confidence, to develop the public speaking skills, presentation skills. And I do that using a very unique technique, which I called it as positive psychology. Using this technique, I help my students to be good in communication, good in presentation, good in public speaking, and they are able to handle everyday situations in their life. The session which I take is English communication and confidence therapy. In this session, it's a new approach, completely new approach. In this session, I do not teach any grammar, but I develop the right mindset that is required, that a fluent speaker has. I develop the confidence through different practical sessions. I develop the right habits. These habits will help you to be fluent and to use the right words and to speak very attractive and effective English. So if you are interested in this kind of training course, please read the description. All the details are given there. Just do the formalities given in the description and my team members will help you to join for this course. So let us start with this important session, aggressive personality. 6 points are there which I'm going to tell you. First of all, let us see what is an aggressive kind of communication style. I told you, communication style is a reflection of your personality. And what is your personality? Your personality is a reflection of the thoughts, reflection of your beliefs. So this kind of personality is aggressive personality. Now, what they do is they express their thoughts, feelings, thoughts, feelings, and ideas in a very inappropriate way, violates rights of others. They violate the rights of others, and often people who interact with them, they feel devastated, they feel hurt, they feel like staying away from this person. This kind of people they have only one agenda, that to push their own agenda, to push their own thoughts, to achieve their own goals in no matter what way they are. These are aggressive people. These people are not liked by most of the people, but these people are available. These people are everywhere, maybe in your office, maybe your college teacher, maybe in your family members also. These people are there. So these are aggressive people. I will tell you in detail about those people. What is their verbal characteristics, how they talk, what is the kind of communication they do. These people, I'll tell you about that. These people have a very harsh and cold tone of voice. Very harsh, very cold, no emotions in that. They just want their work to be done. That's all. Find out who is that. Maybe in your office, your boss is there. Maybe your teacher is there. Voice is strident and rising at the end. Strident voice, big strides. And it goes up at the end. These are the verbal communication, verbal characteristics of aggressive personality. Third is threats. They use threats like, you better do or else. They use threat words. They use curse words also, abusive words also, boastful words like, I have never faced such problems. Opinions expressed as facts. Well, this method is useless. Okay, that is your opinion, but that's not a fact. But these people express their opinion as a fact. Now, the non-verbal. This is verbal, non-verbal. I told you that your communication is judged on the basis of your verbal and your non-verbal. In non-verbal, what they do, non-verbal is very important. Dear friends, non-verbal, I say nearly 93% is non-verbal, and verbal is around 7%. In non-verbal, a person's body language follows his thoughts. So our body, our body in the sense of our hands, our eyes, our facial expressions, the way we stand, the way we look, all these is the mirror reflection of what's happening inside you. That's body language or non-verbal communication. These people stare at others. They don't look, they stare at others. In this way, staring, like staring means just looking at someone aggressively, leaning forward over. In body language, you should not cross a limit. Around 3 feet or 2 feet limit based on who that person is. And these people cross the limit and come close and lean over or lean over, or they lean forward. And that is a very aggressive body language. Pointing finger. This is another kind of aggressive body language. Clenching the fist, clenching the jaws. All this body language it's just going to come out of you. Because why? Because of this point. Thinking style. Now this I feel like out of all these, this is more important, the thinking style. This is what I always focus on in my trainings, or all my trainings, like thinking style, how their belief system. These people believe that I'm here to win and the world is a battleground. This kind of thinking they have. Now the question is, why this kind of thinking they have? It has, this belief comes from their childhood. This belief comes from their parents. They absorb their parents, observe how their parents handle the situation, how their parents, what are their thoughts, how they behave, and from parents, from media, from friends, from society, these people acquire these beliefs, and they believe that there is only one way to win in this world, and that is the battle, that is fight, that is to be aggressive. This is the thought they have. And I think I have told you many times that if you take this triangle, okay, if you take this triangle, your thoughts, here come your behavior, here is the behavior, here is the feeling. Your thoughts affect your feelings affect your behavior. These people's thoughts is these thoughts I told you, and therefore they feel in a particular way and they behave in a particular way. Well, I will tell you how to change this kind of personality. Even if you are this kind of personality, you have to think about this, analyze this, and change. We can change. I will tell you in the next video. This is a 4-video series. This is the second video. Third video will be about assertive personality, the right kind of personality. Okay, so the payoff. What are the payoffs? What are the positive things? They look positive, but they are not positive actually. You feel powerful. You feel powerful because you are the boss there. You are aggressive. People will listen to you. People will be afraid of you. People will do what you tell them. They will do it. The situation feels like in your control, but it's temporary. You feel like the situation is in your control. You feel like people are listening to you. Things are happening according to your wish. You feel like that. Now, these are the payoffs. Okay, these are the payoffs. But along with these payoffs, these are temporary payoffs. A big price you have to pay for this. And the price is you create enemies. Because no one is going to sit quiet. If someone is sitting quiet, maybe he's your employee, maybe he's your junior, but still, he is not going to take it in the right way. He is waiting for taking a revenge. He is not going to sit quiet. That's a human tendency. So you are creating enemies. Second thing, this creates fear and restlessness. Why? Because when enemies are created, you are constantly worried about what he will take action, what is his next action, next standpoint, next way of attacking you. You are constantly restless, and most important is you lose your peace of mind. You are constantly worried about all these things. That's very important for me. I mean, if you lose your peace of mind, what else is there in your life? Nothing. Guilt and low self-confidence. Actually, people who are aggressive, these people are disturbed internally. These people are vulnerable. These people feel insecure. These people feel like low confidence. They actually have low confidence. That's the reason why they want to show some confidence through aggressive behavior. These people feel like if I don't become aggressive, people will not listen to me. They will not talk to me, or they will not take me seriously. So these people have guilt. Actually, they have low confidence. So guys, this is the aggressive behavior. This is the aggressive behavior. Think about this. Are you this kind of personality, or is there anyone else in your life? I want to know that. Write in the comments. I would like to know that. Is there anyone in your life who is like this? Write down. I will answer it. Of course, the next video is very important about assertive personality. Part number 3 I'm going to publish next week. Watch that video carefully. Friends, most important thing is, if you like the video, give me a like. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. And I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Twitter. All these good things I'm going to share with you so that it will be helpful to you in your personal and professional life. Thanks a lot, friends, for watching this video. Thank you and goodbye. This is Dr. Sandeep Patil saying bye. Thank you.